Today we are heading to Wieliczka Salt Mines. We were running a bit late, so we didn't get a chance to do any recording outside of what the crowds were like. One thing I will say though, don't turn up half an hour before your time. They won't let you in. Around 800 steps down, 64 metres underground. This is where we get to level 1. The guide that you get that shows you around the salt mine is really informative. I'm not here to do that job. I'm merely going to show you what to expect on the tour. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. It would really help us out. Thank you. The tour lasts for about an hour and 45 minutes to 2 hours. There's a break around halfway through where you can buy refreshments, and there is also a gift shop there. Unlike a lot of caves and caverns you may have visited in the past, what's unique about down here is it's all man-made. This didn't exist. Every cavern that you've walked through, every passageway, has been basically chiselled out by man. really enjoyed our tour of the salt mines. The guide was very informative. The place is amazing down here, absolutely breathtaking in places. This would be a cool place to have a Christmas party. I think this tour is an absolute must when visiting Krakow. It's only half an hour away. The train tickets are about £6 each return. The tickets for the salt mines were £51 for the two of us, which we purchased prior to leaving the UK. This isn't the lift that takes you back to the surface. I just thought it'd be a great place to end the video. I hope you've enjoyed it.